Thinking about taking a break from Facebook, whether it's privacy concerns or just too much scrolling, you're not alone. Many people choose to step away from Facebook to regain control over their privacy, reduce online distractions, or limit how their personal information is shared. Norton research suggests that certain social platforms may expose you to more online risk. Malvertising, phishing attacks, and eShop scams are just some of the risks you could face when you log in. And it's not just security. On top of that, studies show deleting social media can actually improve your well-being and mental health. So if you're ready to take a break or leave for good, here's what you need to know. Deactivating is temporary. Your profile disappears, but your data stays on Facebook's servers. You can come back anytime by simply logging in. Deleting is permanent. After 30 days, all your photos, videos, and posts are gone for good. If you're using the Facebook app, tap the three-line menu, then go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Meta Account Center. From there, tap Personal Details, then Account Ownership and Control. Choose Deactivation or Deletion, select your account, and pick Delete Account or Deactivate Account, whichever works for you. Deleting your account on a desktop is almost the same as deleting it from the app. Click your profile picture, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and finally Meta Account Center. Navigate to Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, and choose Deactivation or Deletion. Before you delete your account, download a copy of your data. This lets you keep your photos, posts, and messages. You can do that right from your settings under your information and permissions. Deleting Facebook can give you more control, but it doesn't eliminate online risks. Scams, phishing links, and data leaks can happen anywhere. Norton 360 helps keep your browsing more private, monitors and alerts you if your information has been found on the dark web, and uses AI-powered scam detection to help you stay safer and more private online.